Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at Problem 1 from Chapter 5 of College Physics 2E by Openstax. In this problem, we have a physics major cooking breakfast. He notices the frictional force between his steel spatula and his pan. He knows the coefficient of kinetic friction between the two materials, and he calculates the normal force, and we need to find that. Let's start with what we know. And since he knows the coefficient of kinetic friction, the friction that he notices must be kinetic friction. And so that is F sub k is 0.200 newtons. We need to look in table 5.1 to see what the kinetic coefficient of kinetic friction is. And we see that for Teflon on steel, mu sub k is 0.04. Note it has no units. So we will add to our list mu sub k is 0.04. By definition, F sub k is mu sub k times n, the normal force. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of kinetic friction, we find the normal force is kinetic friction divided by mu sub k. So substituting the values gives 0.200 newtons divided by 0.04. Okay, this gives us a normal force of 5.00 newtons. Now notice we've got the variable for normal force is N, and we've also got the unit of force, newtons, is capital N. So just keep an eye on that. The context is everything. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.